Hi guys, and welcome to Yayi's Corner. So I have a very exciting video for you today. It's a Dior Beauty haul. I finally got my hands on these products. Okay, so let's get started. So I placed an order. This comes so beautifully packaged on Dior. Okay. And so actually, I think this is where, if I'm not mistaken, the gift came for their loyalty program. So I'll show you that. And then the order I placed came in this, okay? So let's go ahead. God, this packaging is just so beautiful. All right. So again, they're very extra in their, okay, this is one of their samples. Oh, look at this. I was just filming a video. This is the third video I filmed today, so you'll see 3 videos with this shirt on. I apologize. But I was looking for a lip brush and they bring one right here. So this is the lip glow with some samples. Okay. I also got Christian Dior Oud Ispahan. I guess this is fragrance. Yep, it sure is. So a little sample, and then this is another sample, Sakura. Wait. Yes. So this is one I've been very interested in actually. But look at this. How adorable is this? Okay. So, and I know I had, maybe I stuck it in my purse. It's their lip maximizer. So definitely that was there. Okay, so I was finally able to get my hands on the Dior Backstage Rosy Glow blushes in pink and coral. Guys, I could have kicked myself in my butt. When I first saw these, I actually first saw these in Sephora in person. I was like, they look really nice. And I was like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna wait. I'll wait till I get a 20% off or I get a rewards and I'll buy it. I would go back, see it, okay, you know, because I have so many blushes. Then when I really wanted to get them, you could not find them anywhere. Sephora was sold out, Dior was sold out. I mean, they were, you know, forget it. I think they hit TikTok and then they were like a viral sensation. But I finally got my hands on it. I activated I signed up for a please alert me when they're back in stock, both on Dior and Sephora. And yeah, so that's how I got these. I mean, I think the pink one was available on Sephora, but I was like, you know, I really want this coral one. So here we go. Guys, I'm so excited. I finally got my hands on this. I've been wanting to try these out for such a long time. Okay, so I'm going to swatch them for you. The packaging is adorable. Look at this. Now this is the coral one. Oh my God. All right, so I'm going to swatch these. So this is the pink. Wow, this is like neon. I hope this is coming across, because the other day, I'm not sure what channel I was watching, and they were showing this and it did not look this neon pink. So I know a lot of times, you know, depending on how you're filming. Okay, so this is the pink. Look how pretty. Okay. And this is the oh my gosh, look at that. Coral. Wow. You know what I haven't used in a while? Their contour palette. I'm gonna do a look using their contour palette with obviously one of these blushes, but guys, wow. finally, I got my hands on these. I can't wait. Just those. Then I was so curious about the Dior Addict Lip Glow Oil. So I purchased mine in the color, let's see, 30. This is in the color bronze gold. No. So I got mine in the color 30. It's a cherry oil infused oil. And this is in the color bronze glow, number 30, okay? Because I'm already thinking of fall and, ooh, whoa. Wow, look at that. This looks really nice. Okay. Let's see. It's got a little bit of a scent. There you go. I think I'm gonna apply some on top of the lipstick I have. Okay. So this is one of those things I'll probably use alone with a little bit of lip liner. And I also picked up, I love Dior's nail products. The I'll put it up here. This combination, sorry guys, this combination of I think it's the tint and the base. Oh, this is my go-to combination when I want really nice, neat, classy, clean manicures, which I'll do on my own. You know, obviously I like to get gel once in a while or just have my nails done once in a while, but when I do them at home, this is the combination that I like. So I also picked up the Creme Apricot fortifying cream for nails. Okay, because I do get gel nails, I actually do take care of my nails, and my nails don't really suffer a lot after gel, but I do take care of them. So I got, ooh, this is very weighty. Okay, oh, pretty. Oh, so this comes, okay, let's see. Oh, it's very thick. Look at that. Doesn't really smell. Ooh, it's very thick. It's not gonna spill on you, but it's very oh wow, this is gonna do a nice job. I have very dry cuticles. Look at that. Okay, I am using this tonight for sure. Wow. And on my toenails as well. Very pretty. Very pretty. Very nice. And pretty. The packaging is gorgeous. Very luxe. Okay. I'm not sure if this is a limited packaging. I'm not sure about that, but wow, very nice. Actually, when I'm done with this would make a very cute pill box. Okay. And let's see, what else did I get? So, due to my purchases that I've made in the past, and I have made some purchases on their website before, and I'm not sure why, but I guess I overlooked it. I never became a member, and I can't find my old, I probably could, my old order numbers, but I finally reached one of their levels where you get a gift from them. So look at this presentation. How adorable. Okay. Okay, it says the House of Dior is pleased to offer you this special gift, an exclusive creation for a magical moment in Dior. That's cute. They are so in their, I've never purchased, oh yes I have. I have to show you that bag. I need to do a video on my bag collection. It's one of my favorite all time. And you know what? I'm gonna start using it for the fall. One of my favorite bags. Anyways, their presentation for jewelry, bags, small leather goods, makeup is just flawless. So this gift included obviously a lipstick, a little perfume, which are adorable, and this, I'm not sure what this is. Let me see what this is. So this is Eau de Perfume, Miss Dior. This is, I'm not sure if this is a full size lipstick, but this is in their color 999. Yeah, this is not full, but this is adorable. I think I have some of these already. This is such a pretty red. Okay. The packaging is, so what is this? This is the Capture Total Cell Energy Super Potent Serum. Okay. For face and neck. It's 7.5 milliliters, 0.25 fluid ounces, made in France. All right. I'll give this a try when my skin is in the condition I like my skin to be in. All right, guys. That is my Dior Beauty haul. Finally, I got my hands on these blushes. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this little haul. Well, not too little in terms of dollar signs, but I'm so happy I finally got my hands on these blushes. It's like almost like candy. I don't know, I'm so excited about these. I will definitely film a Dior Beauty makeup look. I have a bunch of eyeshadows. I have a face palette. I now have my blushes. So I hope you'll join me in that video. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and have a great weekend. Bye.